How to use Trading 212, quick and easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use Trading 212 for investing, trading and more. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to trading212.com and you will land on a platform. First, you need to create an account on Trading 212. In order to create an account on Trading 212, you just need to enter your email address and select your country. On trading, we have the Trading 212 Invest, we have Trading 212 CFD, and others. So I have signed up for Trading 212 Invest, and this is our main dashboard. First of all, before we begin the video, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading and crypto buying and selling, investing involves a high degree of risk, or whether you prefer to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand the investing, you know how the trading works, and then you can get started. That being said, let's continue. So this is my watch list. In our watch list, we can add different companies and different stocks right here. So I have added Tesla, Apple, Amazon. To add any of the different stocks to your watch list, let's go to the popular right here, and it will show me all of the popular stocks, and we can check them out right here in our Trading 212. On Trading 212, all of the different stocks are available, such as Alibaba, Amazon, Microsoft, Tesla, and others. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with the Tesla one, like the first one, and I have opened it up. Now what I can do is I can either buy this stock right here on 212. This is the price right now, and you can see the percentage last week, market closed, and I can just click on this plus button and I will be able to buy it. I can also check a graph right here. You can select if you want it to be 1 day graph, weekly graph, or 1 month, and then we have our pricing, we have company details, CEO, employees, headquarters, sectors, everything. Key ratios, this is where you will be able to find the market cap, revenue, EPS, and beta. And then we have our income and our balance sheet graphs given. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and add it to my watch list. Now it has been added. Moving on, we have Apple. So I'm going to select this one. Click on buy and you will be able to buy this stock right here. You need to verify your account on Trading 212 in order to do so. And investing is going to be through real money, and you can also do this through crypto. This is our account value given. You will be able to see your free funds and your portfolio. This is my watch list, top winners. Then we have popular US stocks, UK stocks, new on Trading 212, and ETFs. So let me take you to the ETFs. Right now, this is ETFs. We have Vanguard ETFs available, iShares, SPDRs, iShares again. Then we have Vanguard ETFs. So all of these are available. You select the one you want to check out, click on buy, and you just buy the stock with Trading 212. It's actually really easy. This is our main home with this. And then we have portfolio. In portfolio, I will be able to again browse the stocks and ETFs and create a pie as well, which is an auto invest option, and you can create bots now with Trading 212 that allows you to actually do the trading automatically. And you can see right here, this is our main marketplace where I will be able to search. So that was my own watch list. In order to, again, to add something to your watch list, you just select the one you want to go for. Let's say I want to add this to my watch list. Just click on this plus button, click on add to my watch list, and you will be able to add it. Moving on, I can just scroll down to get more. You can see, click on this plus button, add to watch list, and you will add it. We have stocks. In stocks, we have most popular, dividend, growth, high volatility, low volatility, and then we have ETFs available. This is our main calendar here. So we're getting a calendar view with our Trading 212 in order to help us with our stocks and to keep track of everything. Here you will also be able to find different economic events and different events that are coming up. Moving on, we have videos. This is where, of course, you will be able to find different videos and information, the community for the Trading 212. And then we have notifications. So using Trading 212 is actually really easy, and this is a beginner's tutorial for the platform. If you're not familiar with 212, then this is how you will use it. This is our main account, and here I will be able to switch to to trading, I have actually selected the invest. You can go with trading CFD and trading ISA. Manage funds. This is where you will be adding the funds. History, documents, use promo code, community forum, help center, and more. So click on start investing now, and you will just need to verify your account and you will start investing. Again, this is the prices actually at the time of making this video. The prices may vary when you are checking out Trading 212. Let's get to portfolio and click on create a pie. For that, you will have to add funds to your wallet. We can also create a new watch list with trading. Click right here, click on more, and then right here. Similarly, we can customize our search and search for different stock exchange from different countries. And then we have types as well. In types, we have ETF and stocks. So on Trading 212, the main focus is the stocks and the ETFs. That's how it is. And you select the one you want. For example, I want to buy Amazon. So just select Amazon, click on buy, and I will be able to do so. Make sure to check your graph here first. You can see the highest value for this one was 117, but right now it's 115. So it kind of like went really high. So if I create a pie with Trading 212, I create a board, then what will happen is it will help me buy on the lowest price right here and sell them on the highest price. So the lowest was actually 106. That's actually pretty impressive. You will also find this create option right here. Click on create and it will create a new watch list for you. We can customize our watch list on our Trading 212, and it helps us to actually kind of like have more than one watch list on this platform and manage them, compare different stocks, compare different ETFs, and actually do trading really easily. Keep in mind that Trading 212 Invest is different than Trading 212 CFD, and then we have Trading 212. To open an account on Trading 212, click on Open Account. Then you have to select the country. Click on Next. Select the account that you want to create. Enter your email address and password. Accept, and then click I accept and agree, and your account will be created. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.